Welcome back to the Furious Vibe, where we bring you the raw, unfiltered truth about the hottest rides on the road and beyond. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated Class C motorhomes of the year, the 2025 Jayco Greyhawk 30Z. Whether you're a full-time traveler, a weekend warrior, or someone dreaming of that perfect escape on wheels, the 30Z is built to catch your eye and keep you comfortable every mile of the journey. The 2025 Greyhawk 30Z is a powerful mix of luxury, functionality, and performance, sitting on the robust 450 chassis with a 7.3L V8 engine pushing 325 horsepower and 450 lb-ft of torque. That's more than enough grunt to haul you and all your gear across mountain passes or open highways. Jayco's renowned J-Ride Plus system returns, giving this coach a smoother, more stable ride thanks to features like the computer-balanced drive shaft, Bilstein shocks, and front and rear stabilizer bars. Inside, the 30Z is all about smart space and premium finishes. At just over 32 feet long, the layout is brilliantly designed with opposing slide-outs in the living area, opening up the floor space to make it feel more like a small condo than an RV. The decor options have been upgraded for 2025 with modern tones, high-quality cabinetry, and residential-style vinyl flooring that looks great and is easy to clean. The kitchen is fully loaded with a 3-burner cooktop, a convection microwave, an 8 cubic feet fridge, and tons of storage. The solid surface countertops and deep stainless steel sink make meal prep and cleanup feel effortless. The living area features a large dream dinette and a theater seating setup directly across from the entertainment center. You're getting a 50-inch LED TV with a built-in soundbar, so movie nights or game day hits different when you're parked up in the wilderness. Overhead, there's the signature Jayco overhead bunk for added sleeping space, which is a favorite for families or those bringing along friends. When it comes to rest, the private rear bedroom is everything you need after a long drive. It comes with a walkaround queen bed, dual nightstands, wardrobe storage, and another smart TV. Jayco nailed the layout here, giving you the space to relax without feeling boxed in. The bathroom is roomy too, with a glass door shower, a skylight, a porcelain toilet, and well-placed storage so nothing feels cramped or cluttered. Jayco doesn't play around with safety or quality either. The 30Z is built with their industry-leading construction techniques: vacuum-bonded laminated walls, a seamless fiberglass front cap, and the one-piece fiberglass roof that's backed by their strong warranty program. Plus, you've got standard features like backup and side view cameras, automatic hydraulic leveling jacks, and keyless entry, which are typically optional on rigs in this class. In terms of connectivity and tech, Jayco keeps you plugged in with a 2000W inverter, solar prep, USB charging throughout, and an optional solar package. You also get the Firefly Total Coach control system, letting you manage lights, tank levels, climate, and more from one touchscreen panel, or straight from your phone. The 2025 Jayco Greyhawk 30Z is not just a motorhome, it's a mobile lifestyle upgrade. It blends comfort, technology, and reliability into a Class C that's ready for whatever adventure you throw its way. Whether you're hitting the coast, crossing state lines, or just escaping the 9-to-5 grind, this coach makes the journey feel just as good as the destination. If you're vibing with this breakdown and want more deep dives into the latest RVs, vans, and off-grid gear, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay locked in with the Furious Vibe. We're here to keep you rolling strong and living free.